Most home theater guys think their picture is fine until BenQ W4100i 4K LED changes everything. Friday night, lights down, popcorn ready, and the movie looks flat. Colors muted, blacks gray. You quietly blame the Blu-ray instead of admitting your projector is lying to you. I did that for years. Type guilty if you've ever paused a film and pretended you weren't disappointed. You know exactly what I'm talking about, don't you? That suffocating feeling when the scene should be epic, but it's just meh. You crank the settings, chase sharpness, and still walk away let down. What if control was actually simple? What if one box just nailed cinema so hard you forgot you were in your own basement? Stay right here. I'm about to hand you the cheat code. Then I turned on the BenQ W4100i 4K LED home theater projector, and everything got stupidly quiet. Don't just pick any 4K projector. Make sure it has real 100% DCI-P3 with factory-calibrated LED so you never feel that soul-crushing, washed-out movie look ever again. 6 superpowers hit at once. Colors that make you whisper, "Holy shit!" Black so deep you lose the bezel. HDR that actually keeps both shadows and highlights. AI cinema that reads the film better than you do. Instant on-off like a TV, and a 30,000-hour LED heart that'll outlive your marriage. 2:47 a.m., client demo in 3 hours, I was cooked. Fired up Dune on the W4100i and the room went dead silent. Grown men forgot to breathe. You feel the sand. You taste the spice. Your pulse sinks to the soundtrack. One setting nobody talks about coming at the end. It's borderline unfair. Which part just made your theater heart skip? Comment below. Now movie nights go 3 hours without anyone touching their phone. Clarity so sharp you see individual hairs in Oppenheimer's mustache. Contrast that makes OLED owners nervous. Results that shut entire rooms up. Projector Central measured 100% DCI-P3 and called it one of the most accurate projectors we've ever tested. Chris Major from The Hookup said he sold his JVC after one night. AVS Forum's calibration thread is 180 pages of grown men crying. At MovieNerd87 literally posted, "I just watched Blade Runner 2049 again and I'm not okay." I watched my buddy, former TV's better guy, sit through the entire credits of Dune Part 2 with his mouth open. Everyone's scared, but it's not bright enough. Bro, in a real theater room, it's perfect, and you'll never change another $800 lamp again. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily, that secret filmmaker mode tweak. Quick, which benefit blew your mind most? Comment 1, color that hurts so good. 2, black levels that swallow light. 3, never babysitting settings again. Drop your number, I'm reading every single one. Imagine hitting play and instantly knowing, without thinking, that you're watching the film exactly how the director saw it in the grading suite. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their entire life and never looked back. First link in description. I pinned it to the top because I'm not letting you miss this. Click it. Thank me when you're sitting in the dark whispering, "Holy shit," 10 minutes into your favorite movie. The BenQ W4100i 4K LED home theater projector is waiting. See you on the other side, friend. For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.